Considering the high cost of tomatoes nowadays in the market, I thought on how to make a delicious jollof rice without using fresh tomato nor paste, so I came up with this recipe. So guys, sit back, grab your pen and paper as I walk you through the preparation process. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how to prepare carrot rice. Please, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload a new video. The full ingredients will be at the description box, so please do ensure you check it out. I'll start by peeling the carrots using a kitchen peeler. Guys, please, if you don't have this, try and get it. It helps you to peel your carrots, potato or anything with no extra stress. But if you don't have the kitchen peeler, feel free to use a knife. I'm using lots of carrots guys because this will be replacing our tomato. I'll further slice the carrots for easy blending in the blender. If you have a fruit processor, that's okay. I'll transfer it into the blender. I'll also be adding some red and yellow scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, ginger, garlic and onion. I'll transfer everything to the blender, after which I'll add a cup of water for easy blending. I'll allow it to blend to a period. Okay guys, to make the carrot rice, I'll heat up some vegetable oil in a pot on medium to low heat, after which I'll add some stripped onion. Guys, I'm using lots of onion. I love onion. Feel free to use onion the way you want. If you don't want it too much, just reduce it. I'll saute it for some minutes, after which I'll add the carrot pepper blend mix. I'll gently stir it to combine everything and I'll allow it to fry for like 5 minutes so the liquid could thicken up. After 5 minutes, I'll just season it up with some curry powder, thyme, seasoning cube, grounded crayfish and some salt to taste. I'll combine everything together, then allow it to fry again for 3 minutes. When the vegetable oil settles at the top of the pan, you know that it's perfectly fried. Guys, the aroma in here is heavenly. Remember, I did not add any tomato to this. I'll just give it a quick stir, after which I'll be adding our meat stock. I'll gently transfer the rice into the pot. Guys, I've washed it already after parboiling for 5 minutes. You can choose to soak yours in hot water before washing. But please, if you want to parboil, don't overcook it, so your rice could have enough time to simmer with the carrot sauce. I just gently combined it. Then I'll add water so we could have enough liquid to cook the rice. I'll cover it, then allow to simmer for 20 minutes on medium heat. After 20 minutes, the water has dried up and our rice is perfectly cooked. I'll just turn up the heat, but guys, I'm not through. I'll add some chopped carrot and green beans. You know how much I love vegetables. I'll also add some chopped red and green bell pepper for extra color and flavor. Guys, I'll just gently combine everything together, then cover and allow it to heat up for 2 minutes on very low heat so the vegetables could soften up a little bit. And guys, our carrot rice is as good as ready. If you are watching up to this time and you haven't subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button below so you can be instantly notified whenever I upload new videos. Please do ensure you like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. Go ahead and recreate this for your family guys. See you next time with another amazing recipe. But do remember to eat healthy and stay healthy.